In order to support the modelling of any building in CYPE Architecture, we present two options: generating grids and entering reference lines of different types. The References group is located at the top of the interface of the Sketch tab, whose support tools will help us to start modelling. There are three different types: grids, line, and arc. We can generate multiple grids with different layouts. To create them, we click on the Grids button, which opens a window where we can add, copy, delete, and order the project's reference grids. If we click on Add to insert a new grid in our drawing, all the options provided will be shown for its complete definition. In the Position and Orientation section, we enter the point of origin of the grid. To add lines to the grids, we will use the tables on the right of the window. We will include all of the lines in the X direction in their own table, defining for each one its label and coordinate in meters, as well as indicating if the label is visible and in which position. Just like the lines in the X and Y direction, we can insert lines in any direction. For this purpose, the coordinates x1, y1 and x2, y2 of the 2 points that define each line must be defined. As an example, we are going to create some lines in the X direction 6 meters apart and others in the Y direction 5 meters apart. We set the parameters included in the View Options section of the grids, even allowing us to view the same grid at different levels. By making the grid visible at other levels, we create a three-dimensional reference system. Clicking on the visible box activates or deactivates the visibility. By selecting the Draw on All Plan Views option, the grids are represented in all the views defined in the Floor section, regardless of their range of view. If we deselect the Draw on All Plan Views option, the grids will be displayed respecting the range of view defined for each floor and the grid display levels entered. The colour and height of the grid reference text can also be customised. We can also manually create reference lines without entering the coordinates, using the Line button in the References group. To do this, it is recommended not to use the 3D view, but the floor view and with the 2D entry mode activated, and to draw them on the corresponding floors. To add curved reference lines, we have the Arc button. The program offers two insertion options: 3-point arc and arc given center, start and end. The reference lines can be modified like any other sketch line, with the tools in the Edit menu to move, delete or copy them. However, unlike the sketch lines, the reference lines are not represented in the 3D view of the project when it is exported to the BIMserver.center platform.